Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the gem compressor where you can reach it and your water pump. This reduces travel time and prevents clogs. Once placed, attach either a battery or feed 5 wood fuel units to provide initial power, because stable input prevents sputters. Then insert a raw gem and choose the desired output type on the dial. The compressor measures pressure and temperature automatically. Make sure the 0.5 pressure gauge reads steady before you hit activate, since fluctuations reduce yield and can jam internal gears. Once the compressor runs, you monitor heat and flow because sustained high temperatures damage gem quality. Keep the unit under 120 degrees by cycling cooling bursts or reducing power temporarily. This preserves clarity and value. Next, adjust the flow valves to maintain a compression ratio between 2, 5, and 3. 0, since that balances speed with integrity. Also inspect and clear the intake screen every 3 cycles. Accumulated debris lowers throughput and forces longer runs, which increases wear on bearings and raises failure risk. You end by extracting processed gems into a secure crate and labeling them by rarity, because organized inventory saves time later. Once extraction is complete, run a short cool-down cycle to stabilize internal parts and prevent sudden contraction that causes cracks. If the compressor jams, immediately stop power, then engage reverse motor for 2 to 3 seconds to dislodge material, and only after that manually remove the obstruction with gloves. Finally, inspect seals and lubrication. Poor seals or dry bearings are the usual culprits, so remedy them before restarting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.